Hello students, today we will verify superposition theorem, and for that we need superposition kit, ammeter and connecting wire. This is the circuit for superposition theorem, and we will verify superposition theorem in this circuit. Here there is 2 voltage source 12 volt in the left side and 12 volt in the right side. And we have to calculate the current through this 10 kilo ohm. And we know that in superposition theorem, we calculate the current in the given element produces by all the sources. That can be a voltage source or the current source. Here 2 voltage source is given. So we will see first the current produced by this 12 volt, which is in the left side and also in the right side. The current which is produced by this left side voltage source, we will take that is I1, and for this right side voltage source we will take as I2. And after finding this I1 and I2, we will add, that will be given by I sign, that is the total current. Okay, so that superposition theorem we will verify. So let's start. This is the trainer kit of superposition theorem, and in the left side this is the DC regulated voltage through which we will give 12 volt supply. Here see, I have already set that in 12 volt. If you want to increase the voltage, then you can increase by regulate that switch by increasing and decreasing whatever voltage you can give. Okay, so I have to set this in 12 volt. I have set already, and here we can see that this is the trainer kit of superposition theorem. See, and now it is the multimeter through which we will check the current. So first of all we will give supply to the circuit, and now I will set 12 volt in this DC regulated voltage source, and after that we will fetch the supply from this DC regulated circuit. Here there are 2 points, one is positive terminal and another one is negative terminal. So we have to take both of that, and that positive terminal will go upward and the negative terminal I have given to the ground of the 12 volt source. And now we have to supply both of this 12 volt, because first of all we will calculate total current through this 10 kilo ohm. So I am taking this parallelly, as because in parallel the voltage remains same. I am putting this fetch cord and connecting this to the negative terminal of the voltage source. Now both of the voltage source are activated. Now we will check the current through the 10 kilo ohm through this multimeter, and we will keep this multimeter in 20 milliampere range, so that accuracy will be maintained to find out the current. So now check. See, the total current IT is showing us 0.78. Now we will remove that voltage source and put that in the next circuit, where the left side 12 volt source is activated and the right side voltage source is deactivated as the theorem. So now see, I1 value is 0.39 milliampere, and write it down. Now we will remove that supply and give the supply to the another circuit where the right side 12 volt source is activated and another one is deactivated. Now we will check I2. I2 is showing us 0.38 milliampere. So theoretically the value of total current is 0.79 milliampere and I1 is 0.39 and I2 is 0.39 milliampere. And this is theoretical value, that is 0.78 milliampere, and we have calculated practically as I1 as 0.39 milliampere and I2 as 0.39 milliampere, which is same as your theoretical value. So we are successfully verify this superposition theorem.